Hey guys, how's it going? Frey here from Tools and Gadgets, back again another video. Today I'm very excited to show to you that we have 3 products of Anker that we are going to unbox and test. They really live up to the hype of the 100 watts charging, and also this 9-in-1 USB-C hub, which has an input of 100 watts, but it has an output of 85 watts. Okay, so yeah, so you've seen me from the previous video that I have already unboxed this, so I won't be unboxing this anymore. Instead, I would be unboxing this too right here. So this is the Anker 737 100 watts charger. It's a premium charger. It features a 2 USB-C port and a 1 USB-A port. And while here on the other hand is a USB-C hub. Why I purchased this is because of the newly released iPhone 15 Pro Max, because the USB-C hub you could really use the features, the accessories that I would be plugging in here. I would be posting that in the next video. So what accessories, so all my USB accessories, I'm gonna plug it in on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and let's see what works, what accessories works on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Like for example, like keyboards, mouse, microphone condensers, like the one used in streaming. So if ever we could use that. What else? A hard drive, external hard drive. So I know that you could use a USB-C flash drive directly to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but then we'll try to see if we could plug in a USB-A hard drive on a USB-C hub going to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So yeah, let's get ahead and go into the unboxing. Okay guys, so we have these 2 prime chargers here and a USB-C hub. So let's go ahead and unbox this first, the Anker 737 charger. So this has a GanPrime 100 watts charger block. So it has 2 USB-Cs and 1 USB-A. I got this guys because this has a really good review. And it came out top of the few tests that has been conducted. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so inside the box you have the charging block. I could tell you guys that it is quite heavy. More or less it weighs the same as an iPhone 15 Pro Max, I don't know. So for size comparison, here is a regular ball pen. So as you can see, it is quite big, but then really small to think about it, like 100 watts. So you're gonna flip the outlet here. You can flip it back. It has a small notch here on the top. Yeah, that's okay. So in here guys, you have 2 USB-Cs that output a maximum of 100 watts. Both of this, if you're going to be using both of this, it will be using around 50 watts output, which is a total of 100 watts. But if you're using just one, so it's 100 watts max. So if you're using just the USB-A here, the output maximum of this is 22.5 watts. So if you're using this 3 right here, so first off, you'll be using this at a higher rate, this one a bit lower to compensate about the USB-A. So in a while guys, we'll be testing this with their 20,000 milliampere battery. So this is their prime power bank that they just released as well. So we'll see if this could really give 100 watts going to here. Okay, so stay tuned. We'll be unboxing next the 9-in-1 connectivity USB-C hub from Anker. So yeah, let's go ahead. Okay guys, so now we have the Anker 552 USB-C hub. It's a 9-in-1 4K HDMI support. This has one HDMI 1.4 Ethernet port that supports about 1 gigabytes of Ethernet, 5 gigabytes of USB-A port. It has a power delivery up to 100 watts. So it has 2 micro SD slot card and SD card, 5 gigabytes of USB-C port, 2 USB-A port. So the USB-A port 2.0 that supports around 480 megabytes per second, and the power indicator. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. So they have a pull to open tab here. So inside you have the manual and the unit itself. Yeah, that's really about it. So it doesn't come with anything else. So let's set that aside. So the USB-C hub here comes with a built-in USB-C port. So again, for size comparison, Here is a regular ball pen. There you go. So what I like about Anker, guys, is that you have a premium feel on every devices that they're selling. They're not like plastic cheap. It's really a premium feel. So yeah, let's go ahead and test it out. So first off, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be charging this with there. I also got the Anker 240 watts cable. So yeah, let's go ahead and plug this in an outlet and let's see how much power is it giving from here to here, if it really is 100 watts, because this can support 100 watts input and this can support 100 watts output. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so the Anker GanPrime charger has been already inserted, so let's see if it reaches the 100 watts that it is maxed out at. So it's slowly climbing now. Oh my god, that is phenomenal, guys. So it peaks at around 94.8 watts, and that's really fast. From 26%, I'll be charging this for just about 35 minutes, and you can fully charge this 20,000 milliampere battery here. Next test, guys, that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the USB-C hub here to charge this one. And let's see if we could get, take note, this has an output of 85 watts. So we're gonna be feeding this with 100 watts and it's coming out with 85 watts. So let's see if it really is giving 85 watts to our power bank here. So let's do that. So let's go ahead and insert this here in our power delivery and let's go ahead and charge this. So as we can see, it's really not charging the power bank. So instead, it's giving out power to the USB-C hub. So this is supposed to be a power delivery in. So we're gonna stick that, but still, it says in the power bank that it's still giving power to this. So yeah, let's try to transfer it on the second slot. Still the same. So you can't use a charging block going to a USB-C hub and going to a power bank. So you can't use that probably because it thinks it's giving power to here, and the charging block is powering the USB-C hub. So I don't know, it might be confused as to what it's doing, but then yeah, you can't do that. So yeah, let's go ahead and try to charge this again. If it still reaches the peak of 94 watts, as we have seen earlier. So as you can see, it's charging right now. So we didn't see that a while ago when we put it on the USB-C hub. So yeah, it's still charging at 94 watts. So I could tell you guys, the Anker Prime 737 100 watts charger is really the best charger out there. So if you could grab one, it's currently on sale on Amazon for probably around $58, but then I got this without the sale, so it was roughly around $85. So yeah, so now guys, I'm really happy with my purchase. So I hope that I have shared to you insights before purchasing this product. So tomorrow guys, I'll be filming again this connecting to my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I'm gonna be inserting all the slots here. So yeah, stay tuned with that. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions, and see you in our next vlog. Bye.